oh yeah, politics, do your politics. Leave me out of it. Using a supposed voice. Now, when you pakona wo yes san, agrada ba Johnny. Minim say audio and trendy cry, me video be man trendy. But sebi manusu simina so any sensible person you will know say and trona mu say try. You think this stupidity you are doing will change something? You think this thing you've done? And kwasiafo be on Facebook. A Jimmy for papa penimu a wo afa camera si wanim. I don't want to mention your name to give you hype. Oh, you're a foolish man. Stupid man. Kwasiawoma. Whatever newspaper. When you trust in what it.
The NDC nona ediebe bo mu se enia baako during 2016. I don't know man me who now. Yeah. I've seen some things. Before God the man, me na obi the screenshot ama me. It may be current say what frame me now we US. And my frame me say what who caption be mistress. And I catch you say me can put me a screenshot.
You called me and you were
yes. I remember.
You were very upset. You wouldn't listen to anything I have.
And I me catch you call no. Yes, I remember. And I say me bune from TNT on funny serious. I remember. Come number no screenshots number no. Who's the Instagram? Maybe you see more than one account. Yeah, na picture be that here. Yes, and probably dear or control papa account no. Me, say I have 110 evidence that a woman will control account no, which I can send you on WhatsApp now. I approach him myself. So I say, I'm doing a Mzbel, and all these while, all you me say now we all supporting no, because the capital no the amount. No, I can't natural. And I can't say, me chaso. Then I'm saying no, me chaso. Because I did not Mzbel, yeah, you know. What's it or the Sunday will hear it? So you want, or me now what between the idea with you. Meanwhile, the message between you and Mzbel, I want me phone. So this is me the PR bontia. And somehow I did no, and yeah, papa. So I spoke to my mom right now, and I'm saying no, Mzbel is like a big sister to me. Let me call her and let her know what is going on, because the education is not funny. I have thought about this thing the whole of this morning. So I just decided, say, no, let me call you. You can record and send it to him. What Vodafone number? Have you asked me how I got the Vodafone number? Because of the messages between the two of you. You want to fuck him. At the end, shower, they bro, funky, they bro. I have everything on my phone. If you can't try and say, you are doing this. Yeah, I told him straight, say,
screenshot of my messages.
Yes.
And
the phone so.
Okay.
All my pictures, any of the idea or the mouth, no, natural caption, I can't I have it. So I said, say no. Yeah, it's not funny.
Mahama, like I chose me managing an account.
And you know, can you? Me, who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write? Now, see, I feel for me by a text saying, someone for say, Lodina. Like everything, I have the whole thing.
You saw it on his phone.
I saw it myself. I saw it myself. Say, ultra picture. No, the sender, no, the caption. I can't want myself at home. I don't care. And you must say, any problem with your mama friend. Oh, yeah. Editing now, what edited the sending of say, and you blood the I did sending say, you see, he's so good in bed, blah, blah, blah. Say, hey, who is doing this to me? It's a mommy friend, brother, because I say, oh, this me edit your captions. So before the mommy, who you're not Busan and went to me denied him, all he said was, you ain't chaso. Now, on one, Emma, and I was like, I don't care, but I don't know, editing in your bro, or editing on the bro, you even need him not to send me a picture on from my answer. And I will send a picture, I'm off on to Facebook, on from my answer. I saw all of them, but any hear me problem. Hey, the hospital bill now, about 20 million, I can't say so. I have everything. You know, this me what evidence on the phone 100% and I'm a about 2,000, and I'll say a be a 500, and a be 1,000, a be 200. It's two friends coming so. It's many questions are. Let's say we have Mr. Mzbel. About one thing. Yes, it's your number. I didn't view the number in the chat. And I mean, say, you even came out to say, or you're man the channel. And I saw 2 hour hospital bill, but only been about and I saw it on the phone to say, I'll send you 2,000 officer. And I saw say, oh, outside the country. About the Bibeka woman. And I buy my friends 5K, and I'll done a sister on Saturday, 5K, with an assay. I said, oh, I have them. So the reason why I called you, you can send it to him, and you're my friend. But Miss Rowe, editing the Mzbel, I don't know what you are going through, sir. Yes, sir. I will not blame you. Me, I cry. My phone said, Mrs. Papeni. Me, I think you. But we do not put the Miss Rowe. Politics, na you are quiet. Me, I told me, and you're bonny. And maybe I will find a question to me for say, I'm very careful with me, I'm free with her. What to say? What cut my car? I don't do that. Because who come after man and come on framing class assembly in Germany. It's in a minute I wasn't the damn hustle. So I beg you in the name of God. You get more money to my campaign. But me Tracey me editor now the man on the day. Please. You know baby I would call. Apart from Papa, you know I will send them all. And what's over for my whole time? Mzbel, me one in you. Will be messages me 80, number 80. Messages how the money I have it on my drive. Do you understand? I tried to because I mean, COVID deny, but he didn't deny. So I beg you in the name of God, please. Now you can say, all according in your sending. I saw everything. I beg you.
I don't know where you are taking this, but I think, sir, you just want me to know, sir, you have access to his phone, and
it's not even about access to.
No, everything you're saying.
It's about whole feeling, and I saw everything.
Everything
about
I don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know where it's going, but I get what you're trying to do. But it's fine. Are you done talking?
You see, you are still getting me wrong.
Are you done? Because I'm sitting here minding my whole business. You called to tell me all this. I don't think it's necessary what you see on his phone and what he tells you and what he cannot deny and what I don't think is necessary. It should be between you and him.
Yeah, it's not even about me.
I don't know what you're talking about, and
it's not even about
anything. If you have a problem and you think it's me, you can sue me because you seem to have a lot of evidence.
Why would I sue you?
No,
it's like, oh yeah.
If you have a problem and you think you have evidence, I think you should sue me. That's the best way. Everything you're calling me to tell me now, I don't know where I'm.
And you know, the American, you like you always want to say, like I'm coming from a good way.
Me who baby Audi, fini baby Audi ko. And I maybe say, are you done?
Okay, I'm done.
It's me why are we doing this? Sebi mpenimfo mo ya ade mo twantro eto nipa so ye ba bonten ne ade abufuo be kasa mo se ye mu ade later na ma ba bonten na ma be kasa agro na mudi. Why? If you think oh yeah wo politics do your politics, leave me out of it, please. Some feel say mo yeah mo politics do your politics and leave my name out of it. Yewaha ena mo ba bonten ebeka se mo wo me video a me ni obi supposed politician bi senka me ye din up till now ke benya manfo a mo be jedi say me video bi wo baby. Everybody called me, Tracey, don't talk. They said there many calls, Tracey, don't talk, Tracey, don't talk. Why shouldn't I talk? Knowing very well the thing is not true, why shouldn't I talk? Enti ene yemfa obi voice. Media one amose kasa ne semedie. But obi timi fa obi say doctor tape or say whatever now. More share no. Why? You should take it. Take this. Look, where is her? Bring one of the things she used to play. Hurry up. The audit are going to be. You aka 2 days to election. Party where you can be a better way. Party where you can be a better way. Why do you want to bring my name in it? Adane. Why not video ama? Me bab on team be kasai and go. And mi nyomo mo ka se mi mu ade. Until say asem no kure e daddy. Before people were like, oh, Tracey, why do I always have to come out and insult? Before, I could have ignored this rubbish going on today. Me ignore rubbish na but the things I'm out for church on me time. What is this? What is this? Mo anya video number. After the makofa tape. Tape as a when a coffee one is a when a coffee one you using a supposed voice. Now woni pakona wo yes san agrada ba dwane. Agrada ebo bia na run away. Why? I don't know mojiji ni pasa. Mojiji ni pa ni aba bonten ye kekan kwase asem kire mo asebe. Me fans mo fan che me. Then you come out and say a different thing. Why didn't you bring the video you had? Obiti me friend me ma me catch me ma me say, "Well, who video no?" My mom called me, she was crying. And I'm catching said, "There's no video." 48 hours to election. Why? Do you think you are losing or what? I don't get it. Money campaign message, Anna. What is all this nonsense? What is this? Na yeti wa no masakofa bibi fofraba. Yeti wa no makofa bibi fofraba. Nipan kasa ya mompe. I decided not to even come. When was the last time Amu said me ma posti bibi? Kwaku stop. I decided not to even talk crime in period. I have seen this audio going. Minim say audio and trendy crime. Me video every man are trendy. But sebi manu susimina. So any sensible person you will know say and try na mu say try. I didn't know fanya me 2020. Where your video? Eko wi a chire na moni gu ase a moni wu ye no. You didn't get anything to say. Now you think this stupidity you are doing will change something? You think this thing you've done? Kwasiafo no bi omugu Facebook. Ejimi for papa panimu a wo wafa camera si wanim. I don't want to mention your name to give you hype. Oh, you're a foolish man. Stupid man. Kwasiawo ma. Whatever newspaper. Woni trust in what? What Jimmy Anna? Mo reacted to it. Are you mad? What Jimmy? First as somebody who can be men for you. Are you stupid? You are the same man how mama me be free wo. Eki kan kwasi asem so mama 2 weeks or 3 weeks me be wu. Sa wo mama to send me ohun. Me se wo mo be bresa wo ho anoda. What you are doing to me? You don't know me. What for to time crew and what Jimmy on? Papa penimu abetimi awo me. What Jimmy on? You are the same person circulating this stupidity. Studio Corner Mokoye sa audio no. Go and tell them you have failed. Studio Corner. Make us say, nyame voice na me dey say. And you know any educated person would know say you can use my voice to do any stupid things. Edian kwasi asem no. Papa panimu ti abrochire won pa adwuma anye kwasia. Uyem ba tegana e bobra woni twase ni. Me say wo be bre. What papa na ma asem ba first one I don't even want to mention your name but you know yourself. You are a foolish man. I don't know what Jimmy sa wonsu anyansa. Awia we wa fa camera si wanim. Onko pa adwuma anye Jimmy. Ekomo de mani bre be so ye so. What's your brochire wonko pa adwuma anye wa fo bre wo honom no mo ye adwuma no. Onko ye adwuma. What the camera si wanim circulate stupid audio. Are you mad? What madam? Aya mun suenyansa. Suenyansa. Ya babo nti be di motamu wi a later no ma ba ka che ese monum ho. Later you don't have evidence. No ma sa babo nti. What sort of nonsense is this? Aden. Multimedia fryer obi frame me editor ka che ne say what the nani ahu video no. Many politician be that na video no dey Tracey nye ready. Ebi ba me inbox be 13 me nyina say mentues come the video ni ba me ba want to say bring the video. Nobody was able to bring a video. Na sebi you feel say Ghana for yen kwasia for ho. Mo feel say Ghana for yen kwasia for me boa. Enti audio we na aka se den. Na se video mo antimi amfa ba. Na fake audio we na makwakoye na makofa me picture makwakofa obi picture abo ho na mo circulate do. Ada wa Jimmy on. Wa Jimmy. Hwe. Ye nyina ebetimi entasu koko ebi wo obi anu mo. Foolish man, go and find a job and do. What you asema make a chono? Kope adwuma na ye. Na anybody who circulates this stupid audio so no. Anybody I will be circulating audio a minim ho hwe no. Me monsuo bi adi wa hamfa modua no afa mechi akodane o. Me bo ni tandua. I have had enough. Mabramo, Aden. What is this nonsense about? Sebi. Obi a wa follow issue we bia would know say you are liars. Aden. Sana mo ya ma Kennedy asema emfa ne ho de na no betu me ko wi akire mo anya evidence bia ma no. He came out to say he was lying. Say when na mo de ba me boa. When na mo de ba me boa. Na wo de wa ye wa adwen say wo chimi wo mo bra na hu so obi bo bra na wo hihya amanfo achi am circulating yoma no. Mon ka hyen koduru. Na ohia ne ahoche na amutimu no mo betena mu sa those people circulating fake things. You will never peace da e kon be do sa because I dream papa ni with you. Wo sa papa na wo sori a watwe camera si wanim no me say ya bo me ho pa ma wa ho papa me mo dua wo be wu o na wo betena se wo be bre yare e ba bo watena se wo be bre because me nya wo hwe. This is the third time why you waju so be tarnish me image. You are a stupid man. Woni twase ni wate ho se somro kwase ampani Aden na yet one ne kan no to na mo jimi sa no Aden. What sort of stupidity is that? You had my video. You couldn't bring the video. Now you've doctored some stupid tape going around with my picture on it. Me say if you don't believe in social media cases, share that stupid audio. Ye benya kwasiafo so mo be share mo te wono mo be ka se hwe anya mi o mitie me ye o yesi asomesi e wuhwe anya no. Wasia na metu ade we hu nusuo na eba so. Do you know the things that will come on you? Are you mad? Adamo jimi ana. Sebe mo share video no. I'm referring to you people. Go and find a job and do. More politics no. Have you seen me campaigning? One who said me yebi. Leave my name out of it. Leave my name out of it. Party A, party B, obia attacking the uncle. Leave my name out of it. Now no. You think you can bring me down to come and be like you are? You will sink more. No actresses now no. Me say, some feel say, Nyankopon de me be for mama be yes mo e kon be mo chense. Mo yes no. You know yourself. Muni mo ho. Say was say, hey, yenya no mo hwe yesa di oduaba aboa. Hey, I decided not to talk again, but I have had it. You know what? The sensible people, sebi, and nyansafo wa Ghana, no, you can't fool them again, okay? Kennedy dian me yedia, me yeshe up till now, no. Obia nyano woni ti mu say video bi wo baby. But because I came out and the truth came out, you know. Say mo jai video na sem no. Say mako ye tape. And am mo smart. Yes, smart. The same way na mu twa antro first one, mo sa dia fa ho anka mo san fa baby for franco. Common sense na munia na say smart na mo san ye. What is this? We ya mo ye na mo share no. Na aye den. Obi aye na dwo so obeto am obi a we no ebe ye den. Mo am comment wa ase na mo twotwo nkwase asem Tracey Boakye. If NDC lose will kill you, come and kill me. Obewu ansa na mewu. Me hu se wo funu da ho. What bo to me so say if NDC lose what bo wo down wate kwasia. Have you seen me campaigning for any political party? Wa be tron kwasia asem no. Me say wo be wu ama wo mewu ama me hu. If you don't know anything about anything, let's say we ya wadwe say wo be tron kwasia asem a. Aden. You don't know anything. You Kennedy dear buy. Look at how you people insulted me. Look at how you people insulted me. Obi hu me da me twa kan nyina sebi ode mame Aden mo di matem obi afa camera si nani so didi matem. Comment section, you people insulted me for no reason. Asema minim ho hwe Aden. And now you are coming again. You want me to keep quiet? 48 hours to election. Share. I don't care about the amoye but leave me out of it. Me standing for MP or baby and I mean standing for position be or baby. I mean a politician. Some fake near man. Sebi o. President a video by a crime or senior no credit. Now maybe audio the majedi. My bomo than what Sebi. President video buy say ya no kre, say nya no kre. We all don't know. But no kra no. NPP for say nya no kre. Yes, it could be so say nya no kre. It could be so say no kre. We were not there. A video na ba bonting. Can't you even use somebody's voice to do something? And why again? And now we are in a technical world. Sani manuma we na yedin. Ah, mo fa audio chimi mo ni dwumadi a mo share audio we no. When nya sabe ne wom. Nya sabe ne wom. No, take it away. Take it away. I've already packed this one. Take it away. Ah, Aden. Video about bonting. And no crown. You are saying it's not true. You want us to believe it? Yes, we've believed it. The video is not true because I wasn't there. No, bisuniho. It's not video ni true, but audio dear is true. Monya homo share. Monya homo share audio ni dear. I know dear yampa because he Tracey din daso. Into eh dear moje wa me ho dear moje papa. Dear moje wa me honom no moje papa. Agenda na opese o bringing me down. Fatina se nefa ye wo hu yie. Fatina se nefa ye wo hu yie. Na mon share me se wa obe sha de we bia no onum nsuo krampa ensuo adi nsuo krampa wonum a wo hu entram wo emfa utirimu keke ebebo boda ma na se beku a enye normal nsuo ensukom do na se wo fa nsuo no mu a na minim de meye wo akire after me de ma no aka wa no keep sharing stupidity asia for mo ka se mini abusua ho aden ya wani video, ya wani audio, ya wani audio, ya babon tebe kasa we no mo nya bibia maso so. Then you come out to say another thing.